I have been coming across plenty of comments of people asking for the title of a music which is being played at the background of a video. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can discover the title of a background music of a video by yourself, without asking for anyone's help, in just a few minutes. So, if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the bell notification, comment and share to others. Let's begin the tutorial. Go to your Play Store or App Store and download this app called Shazam. Now, open the Shazam app and click on this button. Close the app and play the video with the background music. Then, wait for some minutes for the Shazam app to discover the title of the music for you to download. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Thanks for watching this video.